Hello there and welcome back to the Zombie channel. From the overcompensator to the famed metal drummer, almost everybody likes a big drum kit. Is your drum set kinda resembling one of these? And you also got an electronic set? Well, this video is just for you. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to add a drum pad to your Yamaha electronic drum set. Sometimes adding just one drum can make your entire drum set feel much bigger. To start things off, there is actually two different ways to add a pad. And here I'm going to show you both. Let's start with number one. So in this way to add a pad, in my case it's a cymbal, you just put the pad wherever you'd like, plug in the cable, and then plug the other end of the cable into the input jack of the kick tower. This way you do not have to mess around with Y cable, which can really be annoying. However, you can only add one extra pad this way. Method 2. Using a Y cable with the tom input. In the second way, you of course plug your pad into a Y cable, which is shared with a tom. You see, the tom inputs on the module actually support two sources, so whenever you use this method, plug the tom into the black or blue side, and plug the new pad into the red side. And then, of course, just finish it all off by plugging in your pad. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching this video and taking the time to do that. And I hope you really and sincerely enjoy your new pad that you got, and I hope this video was helpful. Goodbye and have a great day.